The best, the biggest, the brightest. Make your business great again. What's up, homie? This is Leon. If you're still looking for a high quality sign, just follow me. Today, let me show you how can we support your sign ideas. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to go to the latest news. Let's go. First, our experience. 14 years of experience on making signs. We have also accumulated many successful cases and can meet the basic needs of most customers. Exporting to over 100 countries, our customers are all around the world. 2,000 sets of signs will be produced monthly with CE, UL, ISO certificate provided. Second, we have a standardized factory management system from order to production, from production to delivery. Each process is strictly controlled just to ensure that every set of signs delivered to the customers is perfect and they can be satisfied. Third, our customer service. We have a professional sales team. They are all undergo systematic training and will provide best service for every customer. During the production, they will communicate with factory about the situation and update it to the clients. If you have any problems after receiving the goods, the staff will help solve and give appropriate solutions. No matter when, we pursue quality first. So if you are looking for some signs that can help your business or a reliable sign supplier, don't hesitate to choose us. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. Life isn't perfect, but our sign can be. Meet you next time.